Yeah, DHHS is backing this change, saying that the United States is going to be joining other countries in shifting the rules. I spoke with a couple of people today who have been waiting to roll up their sleeves.
It's extremely discriminatory.
Candace Cox tells me there have been many times she's heard the calls for blood donations during crisis, wanted to give back, but stopped short of going to a drive. As a transgender woman, she's felt subjected to the same ban gay and bisexual men have been facing.
My blood is not good enough. My ability to be a part of humanity is compromised, and it's especially insulting when you find out that they don't fully test every specimen of blood that they get.
The FDA saying today it's going to ease restrictions. Relaxation of the rule would screen potential donors on their risk of contracting and transmitting HIV through a series of behavioral questions. Secretary of the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services would personally be impacted, as he is the first openly gay cabinet member to serve in the role.
Over the years, I've had many conversations where people have asked me to sign up, and I've had to say, well, I can't. And here's why. And it's been an interesting conversation. And every time people are perplexed, well, why? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, it doesn't make sense. And now we're able to participate in that. And I think it's really meaningful to move past stigma.
The advocacy group GLAAD saying these changes are 40 plus years in the making. The American Red Cross says it has received the FDA's draft guidance and is committed to achieving an inclusive blood donation process that treats all potential donors with equality and respect. The change is happening as the Red Cross is facing its worst blood shortage in more than a decade.
It's one step forward in creating a society where everybody who wants to actually give back has the ability to do that.
Okay, so here is what is going to happen next. The FDA is going to open up its proposal for public comment for the next 60 days, and they'll go read through, review all of those comments, and then come up with a final draft for this. We're live in Raleigh tonight. Elena Athens, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
40 years of fighting and finally seeing some movement that they've been calling for a long time.
Yeah, and there is such a need for blood donors too.
Huge.
So hopefully this will open up that as well. All right, Elena, we'll continue to follow it. Elena, thanks.